Are you tired of struggling with messy string concatenation in JavaScript? You know, all those annoying plus signs everywhere. It's like playing a never-ending game of puzzle. In this video, I'm going to show you why template literals are a game changer and how they make your code cleaner and how you can use them like a good programmer. Let's get started.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stand. 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
Let's take a quick look at how we used to concatenate strings in JavaScript before ES6. If you have been coding for a while, this might look painfully familiar. Look at all those plus signs. One small mistake and boom, your whole string is broken. But don't worry, there's a better way. Let me introduce you to template literals. Template literals are a new way to handle strings in JavaScript. Instead of using double or single quotes, we use backticks. And here's the magic. We can insert variables directly inside the strings using $sign. No more plus signs. Just look at this example. No plus signs, no confusion. Just clean and readable code, right? Try this example. You can see this output here. Now let's talk about something even cooler. What about multi-line strings? If you want to write multi-line strings in JavaScript using old way, you can write this. Just watch this example. You can see all these \n symbols make the code hard to read. But we can make the code more readable by using template literals. Just do it. But before, let's try this example. You can see here the output is showing in 3 different lines. Now, just try this using template literals. You can use backticks to write multi-line strings in JavaScript. Let's run this example. You can see the output is same as before, but this time we use template literals and the code is more readable and easy to understand. There are no extra symbols needed. The text appears just as we write it. Super clean, right? Alright, here's a question. What if we want to add some calculation inside a string? No worries. We can definitely do the calculation inside our string by using template literals. Just watch this example. Notice how we can directly insert price minus discount inside $sign. No extra variables, no extra line of code. Just run this example and see the output here. Now you can see the final price after discount is $450. It means it performed the calculation right in the string perfectly. This makes dynamic content so much easier to handle. Alright, let's apply what we've learned to a real-world example, generating a shopping receipt. We'll use template literals to format a clean receipt. Watch this example. You can see here we used backticks and write multi-line strings and used the variables inside our string. So that was easy, right? Now let's run this example and see the output here. See how easy that was. No messy string concatenation, just simple and readable code here. Alright, here's what we have learned today. Use backticks instead of quotes. Insert variables with $sign inside the string. Easily handle multi-line strings and use expressions directly in strings. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more JavaScript magic. See you in the next video.